All right, let's go over your understanding for today. A political strategist would like you to design an experiment to compare the effectiveness of 3 different YouTube advertisements promoting a specific presidential candidate. She will use 300 randomly selected YouTube users for the experiment. In part 1, describe a completely randomized design to compare the effectiveness of the 3 advertisements. So we should start with our 300 subjects. Who will then be randomly assigned, so random assignment. To one of 3 groups. We're going to have group 1 with 100 people in it. We have group 2, again with 100 people in it. And finally, group 3 with 100 people in it. Group 1 is going to be assigned the treatment to watch ad 1. Group 2 will watch ad 2. And group 3 will watch ad 3. Okay. And then for all 3 of them, we are going to compare the effectiveness. Maybe they're just going to talk to us. Maybe they will go out and buy our product. Okay. For part 2, it says to describe a randomized block design for this experiment. Justify your choice in blocks. So we know that different groups of people like to buy different things, and different ads work on different people. So I'm going to choose to block by age. So I'm going to still start with my 300 subjects. Okay. First, I'm going to put them in a block of older people. So I should have 150 older clients versus younger clients. And again, I should have 150 of those. Then, just like with our completely randomized design, we're going to use random assignment. On both of our blocks. Okay, and then through that random assignment, we're assigning to each of the 3 ads. So we're going to have group 1A is what I'm going to call it. Is going to have 50 people in it, and they're going to watch ad 1. Okay. Group 2A will have 50 people in it, and they will watch ad 2. And group 3A with 50 people in it will watch ad 3. Similarly, we're going to, through that random assignment of our younger group, have a group 1B of 50 people that will watch ad 1. A group 2B with 50 people that will watch ad 2, and a group 3B with 50 people in it watching ad 3. Okay. For each of group A, we're going to compare the effectiveness and for each of groups B, we're going to compare the effectiveness and overall, we want to combine our data and compare it. Combine and compare. Okay, and that's going to give us some more information about whether older or younger people like a particular ad is somebody more than the other group. So part 3 says, why might a randomized block design be preferred in this context? We've talked about that a little bit. So to put it out formally, we can say the block design helps to control age as a confounding variable. Within each block, there will be lower variability of results, making it easier to determine which ad is most effective. Okay, so yes, takes more time, but ultimately we can be more sure of our results. If you have more questions, of course, make sure you ask in class.